Mork. Oh my god, look at this storm rolling in. I'll have to go to the back of the driveway like we did last time. Oh my god, that was crazy! Alright, move to the backyard. Oh! Okay, the wind is starting to pick up. Oh! Oh my god, did you see that? That was crazy. My god, another lightning storm in the same week? We are being spoiled here in New Brunswick. The rain is here. The rain has arrived. Come on, give me another flash before I gotta go in the house. Come on. Oh my goodness. Did you see that? Oh my gosh. I love thunderstorms. All right, come on. Give me another big flash. One more before it starts to pour down on me. Thank you. That was so nice. Yeah, it's raining pretty good now.